Do you remember the definition of cosine law? The cosine law is the angle between the two sides. Guess what? That's exactly what it is. So look, that angle has to go with that one. There's your cosine law. So check it out. You want to find what is the measure of this angle. So of course, you're going to use this formula. That angle goes with that side. So you're trying to find cos A. That's going to be side A. Those two have to go together. If not, it's going to mess up for you. So here we go. Then what's b squared? B squared is 102. Okay, 102 squared. What's c squared? C squared is 90. Okay, 90 squared minus 132, 132, oh, barely get it in there, squared, over 2 times b, right, times c. Remember, this is an a value. That just goes here, and you don't see it again. Okay, 2 times 102 times 90. And if you throw that all into your calculator, guess what? It's going to work beautifully for you. So 102 squared plus 90 squared minus 132 squared. Let's put that in first. Okay, so here we go. Clear. 102 squared plus, what was it? I can't remember. 90 squared plus 90 squared minus, what was the number? 132 squared. Okay, minus 132 squared gives you that. Remember, this had to be divided by something. It's divided by this. 2 times 102 times 90. Okay, so divided by bracket 2 times 102 times 90. Make sure it's in a bracket, because if it's not, the answer is going to divide by 2, and then you're going to multiply everything by 102 and 90. That's not what you want. You want to divide it by the whole thing. That gives you a value of that. So what does it mean? What does it mean? That means the cosine of A equals to 0.0588. 0.0588, blah, 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 blah. You're not asked to find the cosine of A. You're asked to find the actual angle of A. So how do we do it? Inverse cosine, of course. So second cos, second answer, you get 86.6 degrees. That is your answer for that. 86.6 degrees. Isn't that awesome? Now you know how to find the angle of that. That angle would be your 86.6 degrees. Simple, right? You bet.